Boo girl. Look at This is good stuff, huh? Is this crazy? What's going on?
My mom texted and said, "Get the shampoo."
Yeah? What's going on?
When's the last time she had a bath? Oh, I don't know, that rainstorm last week.
Is this crazy? What is going on here, Daddy? Wow. Wowski. Doot, 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 doot. Ooh, da. What are they doing? Look at the kid hanging out the window.
I know.
Baby
I think those are the same
girl.
people that put their kid in the snow.
What's up with this? What's going on? Boo girl. Love this stuff. I'm gonna get out there, Dad. Okay,
I know, it's so funny because, I mean, like, to say she doesn't want to get in the bathtub, she sure wants to get in that.